Download it with another video. It's on train.
It doesn't even need tracks.
Hurry! It can go by itself.
Yeah, that's what it
Uh,
is. It's gonna crash. It's gonna crash. Wait. I want to see what
just
happens.
watch it go.
I want to see what happens if it crashes into the wall.
Well, I just like doing this because it makes it more interesting. What? It's running against the wall. But what about this wall? Corner? And the tree.
Why is it going off the wall?
I don't know.
Oh.
It's not this. It stopped. Yep. That's good.
If the drink is in trouble, please help me.
Now we have a rug. And a tray.
I need to see.
A rug and a tray. Rug to the tray.
It's gonna take the rug. What's it gonna happen?
It passes with ease. And now it's gonna get off the rug.
Can it go under my step? No, George,
Yeah.
train is going into the kitchen.
Make sure you turn it.
Why? Is this gonna go?
Alright, it's gonna go. You turn
It's
it.
gonna go in the road.
Alright, it's going without no railroad. Alright, so you don't have to move. Whatever it is.
So it's already going across. You see in the middle? Like the floor is level, the train is still going. You know, it's not so level.
Keeps on going. Keeps on, keeps on. Alright, make sure you turn it. We're gonna put something in there.
Huh?
We're gonna put something in there.
Should I stop the train?
We are putting, you named it, a peppermint in there.
What?
Alright, stop the train until here to get the peppermint.
Stop the
No, I mean keep going, keep getting, turn on the train so that we can get the
Wait,
peppermint.
no.
Peppermint.
Turn.
Peppermint. Yeah, peppermint. Okay. Alright. Now my brother is in the bathroom somewhere. I'm gonna put the peppermint in here. Turn. We're turning the train. And now it's going. Do 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 do. Yeah. It's going straight right now. Yeah. Sounds fun. No! It fell. I cannot see it. how the train, now, the train is gonna bring you a peppermint.
They stop the train. Stop the train.
Okay, stop the train. I got some. We're gonna hide. We're gonna hide. We're gonna hide. We're gonna hide. The train. Let me zoom in for you guys. The train is right there. Hopefully, it could just, you know, stuff like that. Ooh, I'm scared. It's been 6 minutes already, and already my brother is still in the bathroom. My brother is still in the bathroom. Brother is still in the bathroom. Brother is still in the bathroom. Are you done yet? Oh. We're going to hide. We're not gonna see anything. Okay? Ooh, look at this.
I'll get you, train. Sorry? The train's gonna bring you a peppermint.
Oh, okay.
There's never a problem.
That's the train. And he's gonna bring me a peppermint. If it comes closer to us, that means it's gonna bring me a peppermint. If it doesn't come closer to us, that means it's not gonna bring me a peppermint.
It's gonna go under the couch.
No, so you better fix that.
What?
That's the train is going under the couch.
I'll be fine, silly.
Fix it!
Here. It is just stop right here. Just watch and learn. We don't need to fix it. It's perfectly in the
My brother said it's going to go under the couch.
Yeah, and then when it comes back out, you need to stop the train.
The train is coming. How?
I have did that before.
Now you're peppermint. Alright,
Eat
can you move it away, please? Can you move? Can you move?
Here's your peppermint.
Alright, guys,
Eat it.
I got my peppermint. Alright, I don't want this kind of peppermint, and take it back. Alright, this is gonna be the last train ride because we gotta post this video, and it's way too
Sorry,
bad.
bring this to me. Lay over here.
Okay.
There's a problem. The train got the problem.
Okay, you get the train. Do 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 do.
See, there's a train coming. Currently, I have the camera on too.
Why do you have the camera on? There's a camera. Camera on.
There is my peppermint.
Alright guys, I think it's time for us to go. You know what I mean?
Sorry, what are we gonna do now?
Anyways, it's time for us to go, so I just want to say bye.
Thank you for